Levi's asleep, Woody's at work, and I like to play music, Christmas music. So this is a whole vibe for me, guys. Just like, this is a whole vibe. Just having the music play in the background while I clean or while I cook. Oh, Christmas is near. The tree is still undone. So what I've decided to do is make this a longer vlog instead of putting up the little videos here and there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to vlog for today and tomorrow and hopefully catch up. So my video that I post will be 14, 15, 16. Just catch me up. We're gonna be cooking today, as I do often. And what I actually do is I cook for the week. So I cook a bunch of food, and so we just kind of warm up throughout the week. It's just a lot easier. On the menu this week is going to be some, I think they're like pork loins. I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna be doing like a lemon pepper steak. Yeah, they're steaks. They're ribeye steaks. They're like these little mini. I'll show you guys. So I'm doing some lemon pepper steaks, and then I'm thinking of doing some oven fried chicken. We haven't had that in a while. So that's the plan for today. And then as the day goes on, or as the week goes on, I'll record and we'll just make one long vlog. And we'll cut out all the short day thing, because I feel like you guys probably enjoy a longer video, as it's easier for me to post. Okay? I'm gonna make the lemon pepper steak. So this is it's actually pork loins. Not too drip, but this is what it looks like. I should actually do the chicken first, but that's just way too much struggle. I should actually, because this is gonna be really quick. Okay, so we're gonna cook these over the stove. Them right here. I'm gonna season them and kind of leave them to marinate and do their thing. Literally using some lemon pepper seasoning on the steak or pork loin. And I'm gonna be adding a bit of sugar. So I'm gonna do like a dry rub, essentially. This is very lean meat, actually. I should have looked for meat that has a bit more fat on it, because I like my steak to have, like, I like a little fat around it. But anyways, still tastes good. I'm just gonna cover it up and put it down until I'm finished with the chicken. Once I've seasoned the chicken and put it in the oven, then I'll fry these up on the stove. So, as the Caribbean people, we don't just throw chicken in the oven, right? We kind of have to clean it and ting. Vinegar in the water. Night divine. Culturally, we don't really measure. So like, this is not like one of those like how-to videos. I'm just kind of doing things and you guys just doing it with me. So I'm cleaning the chicken, the skin on, because as I said, I'm gonna be oven frying it. And oven frying it actually takes like an hour, because you do 30 minutes on each side if you want it to be like thoroughly cooked through, sis. Okay, so I'm taking off just a bit of the skin, a little bit, like the little dangly nasty pieces. You already know what I'm talking about, right? And anything that looks weird. It's a whole vibe. Christmas is a whole vibe, guys. It's a whole vibe. In terms of how much seasoning, guys, you already know. We're just gonna dumping it in the bag, because onion powder. So we're setting the oven at 425, and we're gonna cook it for pretty much 25 to 30 minutes on each side, and we're gonna turn them over, okay? So we have our seasonings in the bag, and we're just gonna add the flour. So we're using this pan. We're using a little bit of oil, not too much. So we got piece number one. Well coated. And ready to go in the pan. Okay. I'm gonna do all the pieces, guys, and then show you guys right before I put them in the oven. The fried chicken's coming along. They look nice. I'm gonna flip them over and just put them in the and look juicy, don't. Yeah. This is the final result. This is what it's looking like. I just made some barbecue, mixed up barbecue, some honey mustard, and a little bit of pepper, and just kind of sprinkled it. So I'm gonna put it back in the oven while it's off, and just let it kind of heat up with it. That's it, guys. Hey everyone, what's going on? It's your girl Billa. So I'm just coming from Walmart. I know I was gonna try and vlog, But you guys, Walmart this time of year, I don't understand. So I went to the store for 3 things. You guys already know how it is. You go to the store for 1 thing, you come with 10 things. So my grocery list had 4 items. I ended up forgetting one of the stuff that I actually went to the store for. This time of year, guys, is just really, really busy. And I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. So yeah, I'm heading home. I didn't get all my errands run today, but I can't deal with traffic. Traffic and me don't really mix. So like around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I try and get home. This chaos, I mentally can't do. People getting, you know, short in the store for no reason. You understand? And I get it, because I guess it's lockdown, so everyone's trying to get stuff. Christmas gifts. The lockdown officially starts Boxing Day if you live in Ontario. So I think people are just kind of scrambling, and you know, people are running around like their heads are cut off. But what we're also trying to do, myself and Odine, we're trying to send home, when I mean home, Jamaica, some like gift cards, not gift cards, Christmas cards for his parents. So I went to Walmart to print them. That was a whole thing, like plugging in my phone, uploading the pictures. And then like they had their, like I had edited them from home, but then I went to Walmart and they had like a nice little Christmas selection. So I was trying to edit the pictures there and then print them and then pick up the items and then wait in line. So whatever I didn't get today is gonna have to wait until tomorrow, because sis, I'm done. And as I said, like I'm officially done for today in terms of grocery store, in terms of going out on the road. Everything else that needs to be done will get done tomorrow. So guys, I will see you guys when we get home. Okay guys, so I just decided to do a little grocery haul. A lot of these things I already kind of opened, so while I was putting some of these things away, I was like, let me just do a quick little haul. Anyway, so I'm just gonna show you some of the items that I picked up at the grocery store. So I bought eggs. They're ready in the fridge. I'm not gonna take them out. Y'all know what eggs look like. I have the bread here because it's here, so I just bought a few loaves of Dempster's bread. Odin eats bread literally with every meal. I don't know what's wrong with him. Like he legit will add bread to his, like bread on the side of everything. I don't know if that's a Jamaican thing, if that's an Odin thing. Bread with everything. Got ourselves some green tea, because you know your girl loves tea. Odin's been liking these Heinz deep browned beans. I don't know why, but he's been having them often, so we got a bunch of them. That's going in the cupboard. This is already in the oven, but I bought a few of these. These are on sale. This is the only frozen pizza that I eat that I actually enjoy, and I enjoy all the flavors. So I just bought a few of these. So obviously it's in the oven, but yeah, these are on sale, so I picked up some of these. These are the little pandas, Hello Pandas. My sister actually introduced me to these, and they've now become a thing we always have in the house. We have this one, and we bought the strawberry flavored ones, and they have like a chocolate filling. They're really good. Hello Panda. We're in the season of Christmas until Christmas is over, because FYI, I don't know if it's a Canada thing, we don't really sell, or maybe I just haven't seen it, I don't really see eggnog being sold regularly throughout the year. I feel like I only see eggnog around Christmas time. That might just be me, but anyways, I picked up an eggnog because once again Odin goes through this a lot. He's 6'2", so give him some credit, you understand? He does work really hard too. When I was pregnant, I got into drinking almond milk because I felt like it was healthier than drinking regular cow's milk. And since I've had Levi, I've just gotten used to it. So I buy regular milk because Odin doesn't like almond milk, but I'm slowly transitioning to almond milk. If I'm eating cereal, I kind of want my regular milk, because I'm like, in this house we eat a lot of cereal. We love cereal. But yeah, I bought this Coffee Mate Bliss almond milk, and the flavor is caramel. It's actually really, really good. I think I've shown this in a video before when I was making my peppermint coffee drinks, which I have perfected it. Okay, so like Starbucks, go sit down. This is now the go-to. I'm liking it. I also buy the unsweetened vanilla almond milk because I don't like the flavored ones. I'm weird. So Silk is where it's at. This is what I drink. So this week we bought the honey bunches of oats, which is actually a fave. We like anything with almonds in it. So this one is pretty cool. I like this one. We're not really the sweet cereal. Like, this has some sugar in it, but it's not like Fruit Loops. You know, Fruit Loops, like, sugar's heavy, and Lucky Charms, the sugar is heavy. We're not really, you know, a sweet cereal type of people. We're kind of like the healthy, not really healthy, because these are low-key not healthy. Low-key, but they're better than the sugary ones, you know, the ones you give your kids. So yeah, honey bunches of oats is bomb. For Levi right now, he's really into his fruits. I'm trying it with spinach mixed up with avocado and carrots. So he's trying different things. He obviously, as most kids, likes his fruits. So I've been like mashing up bananas and apples and raspberries and blueberries, and he loves it. So he's been doing good in transitioning into solid foods. I shouldn't say solid foods because I haven't really given him solids. I kind of puree everything right now because he's still only 5 months. Yeah, right now everything he's getting in terms of adult food is pureed. But he loves food, yo. He loves to eat, and he in the right family because we all love to eat. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It wasn't really like, I didn't go shopping because we have our scheduled shopping, which we go every 2 weeks. This is just like things that ran out. I told you I went to the store for 4 items and I came back with a bunch. So these are just like things that I remembered when I was at the store that I saw were not in the house. Because usually I go with the list. Usually we both go together and we're very like, okay, what do we need? What do we need? What do we need? Yeah. So that's pretty much it in terms of what I got at the grocery store. That's the haul. I'll put this stuff away and let's continue on with the day. So this is what the tree looks like. This is the final result. I think it looks a little bit better from the first time. I think it looks a little bit more coordinated. As I said, I just pretty much reused the stuff that I had because the stores are empty. Yeah, guys, so that's my tree. I think it's looking a little better than it was before. I just kind of reorganized how I put the ornaments. I clearly did not think this tree thing through as it pertains to what I would need to have the tree looking, you know, bomb.com. So yeah, that's it. That's it. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one.